Hey pals, and welcome back to the start of another video. And yes, I'm starting this from my room. It's gonna be exactly like the last video that went up about Kenya. This is just kind of like the second part of it, so I just wanted to intro it. And I can't even remember, I've already put the videos together, but I did that a couple days ago and I can't remember what all is in it, but I know that there's an adventure day, some clips of like me with my little kids, and I guess you'll just have to stay tuned to find out what else. And I guess I'll see you at the end of this video to finish it. Look how steep this is. Goodness! We came from all the way over there. With that said, it is an official adventure day. I don't know if I've ever had an official adventure day on the race. I mean, it's kind of supposed to be an everyday's adventure day because you're in a new culture, you're with new people, going to new places, probably having new food every single day. So it's weird to have like a specified adventure day, but we're doing it. And if you couldn't hear, waterfall, and it's pretty cool. You made it! Alright, we had to climb over that thing, and up there, that's the video. And now we're gonna head back up this steep hill in our wet shoes. She's getting a snack. We're climbing through the rare Kenyan jungle. Everything's rare when you start filming, you know? The rare flowers and the rare trees. But here we go. Oh, big step up. We made it. Oh wow, they're really ahead. I gotta go. Well, Victor has now led us to a nap zone. Everybody, let's set up our pillows, take a little nap, because we are in the middle of nowhere. Oh, baby. Alright, so it's a couple hours later after the hike. We're at a restaurant, first Kenyan restaurant. I was like, where's Courtney? Oh, the lighting was really good right there. We'll just keep it. Look at her eyes. It's popping. I know, it's kind of interesting to see yourself. What was I gonna say? Oh, we're headed to a church revival. It's pretty cool. And I just got asked by another man if he knew me, because I have a familiar face. Second time it's happened today. See you later. Look at all that. It's so cool.
Week here in Kenya. Anaenda kuongelea last week yake Kenya and how much I've learned from all the children.
Na venye amesoma kutoka kwa wanafunzi wengine.
My country? America's bitter than ice.
Not until July. We're traveling for 5 more months.
Could you see me?
So we will go to Uganda.
No, not at all. Lovely. It's a joke in case anyone wanted to know. I'm gonna selfie with Landon. Wait, let me switch hands. Now, Landon! Why must you run away from me? Don't you love me? Please don't kick me. You guys don't even know what I'm talking about. This little baby cow, aka calf. Landon, I know you like me. Don't go in the classroom now. Okay. It's as good as we're gonna get, folks. The cows are everywhere, and this one's in the sandbox. Where are we?
Kenya.
Oh, I thought you were a cow at first, sorry. Currently just laying in the field with the dog and the kiddos. This is what I said earlier, it's the teacher's lounge out here. Everyone is having porridge. Dude, you're really going ham right now. Yay. What's up? Stop. I am not your armrest. A little something's happening in Ellie's salon tonight. Guess what color? Wait, I'll head to the end, then I'll reveal it. Are you excited to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I asked them if I should also dye my eyebrows, and they said no. Mose! See you later. Well, life update now. I don't know if you saw any of that, but the dye is in. Also, I started a movement because Joe dyed one of her dreads, and now Katie is dyeing a piece of her hair, and Gabby's gonna join.
Bailee, you want to strip?
We are going wild. We are sitting. We are sitting, June. We are sitting. We are sitting. We are sitting. We are sitting. I just want to remember this.
I want to hug Kevin.
Hello, I'm back, but just for a quick sec because I want to drink something. So we're gonna do the Coke segment. So this one's a little different because it has coffee in it. I think that's what it says. From real coffee beans. So I don't know how this is gonna taste, but I got it weeks ago. And I'm a little sleepy today, so we're gonna try. Oh no. Oh no. No. I don't recommend this one. The initial taste was the worst part, and then after, I don't know what I was expecting, but it does taste like coffee. So maybe if you love coffee, it's just very interesting. I'll probably drink it, but I probably won't enjoy it at all. Well, I'm back again, and I hope you guys really enjoyed watching those little bits and pieces of my Kenya experience. I'm so excited for the next videos to come. I hope you guys get excited too and are really happy when you watch them because they make me so happy. But that's gonna be it for this video, so I hope you guys are having a great day, whatever day of the week it is, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, pals.